What's up, my brothers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official lowrider. Here's what I have for you guys. You guys, this hair is beautiful hair. I don't know what kind it is because my client bought it herself. You know what? I know the hair came from Eula Hair, and it's wavy hair. Okay, my lords, I thought I was recording in the beginning, but I wasn't, and I wish I could have showed you how I actually installed it from the beginning, but I didn't. I'm sorry. When I did this, it only took me about an hour and a half to do it, to do the install, but she came in with crochets in her hair already, so I had to take that down, shampoo, deep condition it, blow dry it, and braid it. So that part right there, which is the tedious part to me, took about like 45 minutes. So yeah, that hair was so like really easy to work with, super soft. Once I put the water on it and the mousse on it and the what did I put on it? I put what did I put on there, you guys? Oh, the Chi for shine. And you guys, it felt so good. She could have left it fluffy, but she said, no, mousse it up. Either way it goes, it would have looked good. And excuse my voice, you guys. I don't know what's going on with my voice today, but I'm going to be quiet and let you guys see me finish the rest of the way, which is not that much, and I did speed it up. And then you'll see pictures of the completion of the crochet with human hair. You guys, look at all the water and the mousse and the cheese silk infusion makes that hair super wavy, and it doesn't take away the integrity of the wave pattern. I just love it. If you made it all the way through the video, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, it's a good time to subscribe, you guys. Okay? Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.